turn it on. There you go.
What's that?
I have to make sure that you turned it on or not.
I did. Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is October 11th. It is Thursday, 2018. So somebody was asking me, actually just in yesterday's video they were asking, do you guys ever cook out to use your gas grill? We actually use it all the freaking time. All the freaking time. So Heather had a request for tacos tonight, so I still do not have my car back. So we took the bike down and we had to do a little grocery shopping on the bike. Eddie needed milk. And
we miraculously put everything in the saddlebags.
We actually got everything in the saddlebags, four bags of groceries. So anyway, before I get going in the video, I want to talk about real quick. Today's the 11th. We got 4 more days left for the Legacy sale. It is 35% off selected items. If you go to my website, preppernurse1.com, there on the front page of the website, you will see them there. And so if you're interested and you want to get a really nice savings on a larger package item, now's the time to take advantage of it. So anyway, that being said, so today a lot of rain today, a lot cooler today. I think it's 69. When we were in town, it was 69.
It reached a high 70s.
Yeah, it was in the 70s.
It was a little hot in the school.
Yeah, well, it wasn't really hot out here.
Yesterday in my math class, AP Calculus, we were talking, the one side of the hallway is super hot and the other one's cooler. It was 85 in her room, and it was like 78 across the hallway.
Wow, that's a big difference.
It was a little hot, so.
Yeah. Alright, so I wanted to talk today about the stock market. Stock market lost 831 points yesterday. Dropped another, I think it was 400.
You said 400 today.
46. Hold on, I don't want to say it wrong because I'll get hammered if I say it wrong. I think it's 460. 546. See.
You get hammered regardless.
I get hammered regardless. So 831 yesterday, another 546 today. You know. The correction's been way overdue. The market has been way oversold. So I know that a lot of people probably took a little bit of a bath on the market. I have some stocks. I really don't have a lot. I don't really pay attention to that much, to be honest with you. Just because of the fact I don't have a tremendous amount of money invested in the stock market. I would rather put my money into things that are tangible that I can use. You know, obviously our property here in our home. And there goes one of the dogs. So,
there's another one.
And there's the other one. So anyway, did you bring the water and yeah, grab the other stuff. So anyhow, it definitely affects some people. I mean, there was somebody, they were saying that yesterday the guy lost like $9 billion in one day. I mean, you know, if you have a lot of money into it, it's two things drive the market, guys. Greed and fear. Those are the two things that drive the market. So that's always the way it's been. It's always the way it's going to be. Like I said, I would rather have stuff that I can put my hands on and not something on paper that can disappear in a second. Now don't get me wrong, it's a nice, if you got the time and you want to make a play in the stock market as a long-term investment, that's definitely a good thing. But don't put in more than you're willing to lose. That's probably the biggest thing that I would tell anybody with that. I made some money on the market when I was younger. I did okay. But, so I'll let you work on that. Make sure keep moving that around or browning that up, honey. Okay? So anyway, one of the things that we got going here, now hopefully you guys see, I did a video, I'm going to put it up I'll put it up today. We cleared out a lot of the leaves out of here.
Put it up today?
I'll put it up today.
Your today is different than yours today.
Huh?
Their today, or your today, is different from their today.
Well, I may put up 2 videos. I'll put up this one and the other one we did yesterday. So, anyway, we're working on breaking down the garden yesterday. And, I still need to find some zip ties for these guys, but I will get those. We left the peppers in for right now. They will probably get broken down tomorrow. I think that's the game plan for the peppers tomorrow. But we got the tomato bushes all out of here. The center's now all opened up again, and you can see we started with the leaves in there. So what we have here, we have another pile of compost. Not compost, I'm sorry, of the wood chips. The guys came today, and they said, "You wanted more wood chips?" And I said, "Absolutely." So I said, "I want one more load here," and that's where that one is here, obviously. And then they're going to bring some more in over here as well. I want to build this whole area up. So this whole pile here... Hey! Get away from that road. Good boy. Good boy. So anyway, this is all going to get spread all through this area here. I will put more of it in through here as well. So I got actually the rake, and I'm going to pull some of that's pine, as you can see. But all this is going to get pulled out and just used to fill in this area. So hopefully when the spring comes, we're not going to have the flooding issues like we did the last several years. With the wood chips in here, it's going to make things a lot higher. And eventually this will turn into some pretty awesome soil for us. So that's definitely a good thing. But they're hopefully going to bring me some more. Hopefully I'm going to get 3 more loads at least. If I got 3 more, I would be happy. If I want to bring in more than that, I'll take as many as they want to bring me. But so hopefully they'll bring them in over there, and I can fill in there in that area more. I would love to get a load. There's no way they can do it because it's too soft in here. But if I could get a load and just have them dump a load right in the center there, that would be perfect. I could spread that all out. But if they get it over there, I can work it over here and I can get it to come into this area. So hopefully they can get me 3 or 4 more loads. That would be great. We'll see what happens. So anyway, I want to hear what you guys think about the stock market tanking like it has. I know that it's definitely long overdue. The market has been oversold for quite a while now, and definitely due for a correction. Pretty steep correction. Let me see. Good job.
It's so hard to brown meat.
It is. Alright, hold on.
Now the dogs are not going to stop bothering that area forever.
Get it back, get back.
Come on.
You can lick the crap out of that spot in a minute.
Come on.
Look at them, they're just like they can't wait to get in here and get to this. Alright. Can you give me the water in the package, please?
Oh,
so anyway.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Alright, so anyhow, like I said, the market was definitely way oversold, or overbought I should say. So it was definitely time for correction. We're just going to see how bad of a correction it is and how bad it's going to hurt people. You know, so we shall see what happens with that. But I know, like I said, I know even moderate investors are getting hurt. But you had to know it was coming. You know, the bull market cannot go on forever and ever and ever. And actually what I always used to look at corrections is buying opportunities. That's what I always did. I always looked to add more to my portfolio. And like I said, I still have some stocks. But I definitely, you know, once I have things more squared away here, I will probably invest more into that again. But there's definitely things that are going to be, for us, more important to get done here first. Leave it on.
Oh.
No, did you turn it off?
No, I turned it on. It's still going. I saw the fire. Think I'm lying?
You got to let it cook for a little bit. All right. So you got to teach them. You got to teach them what to do because they don't know what to do. None of these kids today know how to do nothing. So anyway, so we got the tacos going there. So anyway, guys, I definitely want to hear your feedback. What you think with this whole correction with the stock market. Will it continue? How bad will it be? What do you think? Like I said, I believe it's always a nice buying opportunity when the market dips. I would definitely wait 4 or 5 days, see what it's going to do, if it's going to continue to go down or what it's going to do, if it's going to stabilize out. But we'll see what happens. Remember, guys, hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not gonna, or tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen. So it's real important to make sure you tell the people that you care about how you feel. And remember, STD, guys, one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from getting there is yourself, okay? So that's real important too. So anyway, for right now, Heather and myself, Prepper Nurse 1, out for now. Have a great day. We'll see you later. There's Miss Molly up on top of the tarps.